See those holes? I just took the pick and cleaned all that carbon off, and it's all clogging the hole.
Okay.
So those holes go over here to these crossing over here to these jets over here.
So I can get like a smaller bucket than that and just pour gasoline in it.
Yeah, it's something, you know, that you can fit this in there and you can dunk it, right?
Yeah.
And just let it sit. But I'm not sure this is plastic. This piece here.
Yeah, you don't know if that can soak.
Yeah, that's what because see, it's all crystallized in here too. I dug a lot of it out. Just like you see how it's there? This thing was all clogged.
Okay.
See this? See the threads?
Yeah.
That's all just all inside. This shit wasn't even open.
That has to open?
Yeah, see it moves. The diaphragm. But see, all that crap had crystallized.
Doesn't the diaphragm look deformed?
Yeah. Because look at the new one.
Is that called the accelerator pump?
No, that's the what do you call it now? Now I forgot the name. I can't remember. But each of them have their own number for each one, for each carb.
Oh.
See?
We can't. Is this up? We can't dip that into there.
No, we don't need that. So good. There's the new one. The replacement.
Hey, baby.
And you see
one goat, right? Yeah.
You see how? So that's the other thing.
Can you knock on the door to see if Grandpa Richard family is there? Okay, then you can go feed the goat. Just make sure you knock on the door and ask them first. Okay, then now you can feed the goat. You can put grass over there.
Hopefully this is the replacement one for it. But it's kind of big, see? And then the orifice, the 2 slots.
Yeah.
Instead of like little slots there. Hopefully they're the replacements.
So what's stopping us from dipping that in the gasoline?
Oh, nothing. You can dip this. Because it's got to soak. But hopefully don't. This shouldn't have any. I don't know if that's just gunk. Or the valve in there is.
So there's a high chance we just not well be using it.
Yeah. Maybe this is deformed. I don't know. Because see, it should look like that. But there's a rubber membrane in there too.
Yeah.
But they usually have. There it goes.
All right.
Does that look like a number? See the numbers on there? In the ring?
2, 7, and then 0, and letter C.
They go by a number.
It's like a 5J7.
Main, I think it's called main valve? No, I fucking can't even remember.
All right, so let me